this has got to be the coolest and easiest way to install software for NinjaTrader 8 yet. It's going to install your workspaces, all your custom audio alert files, your templates, your market analyzer templates, your alert configurations, everything in basically one click. We'll show you that right after this. Now anyone is going to be able to set this up and turn their computer into a pattern hunting machine, and it's going to solve a lot of setup questions and make the process extremely easy. So first, if you have our software already, you might have an older version, so go into our members area and download the new update so that you'll see this install process exactly the way that we have it here. You're going to get this file and you can just put it on your desktop. So when you run it, it's going to grab the latest installation program, which will open up in a small little window, which you can accept the license and you'll have your choice to install it. So we're going to say that we want to install the software, and it's going to present us with a bunch of options of what exactly we want to install. So the first is going to be our XABCD trading suite, which has our XABCD patterns that automatically scan the markets and alert you. So we have our News Pro Edition next, and this will require a license just like the XABCD trading suite above. When you put your license key in, a little green check mark will show. If you see an X, you might want to contact our support and find out why. But just be careful and be aware that when you do copy and paste your license key in, spaces do count as characters. So if you have a space when you copied or paste either at the beginning or the end, that's probably the #1 reason why you would see that red X if you think your license should be valid. So the next thing that we would install is our trading templates and the sound alert files. Those are the alert files and the patterns found, as well as all your market analyzer templates, your chart templates, your workspaces, your alert settings, and your alert logs, everything that basically you need to get started. So the last option is our XABCD Trading News Community Edition. You probably don't want to install this if you had purchased the Pro one, but if you do want the free one to start it with, anyone who wants it can get it. It will mark news events directly onto your charts, puts a vertical line in so you can see what candlesticks in the past or present will be affected by news. If you want to get a built-in free license key for this tool, I'll put a link in the description where you can go and download it and set that up. So we're just going to hit next, and it's going to download all the latest files from the server and put them all in the right locations, building in the workspaces and everything else that you need. So the next time you open up your NinjaTrader, it will load up a custom workspace with everything laid out the way it should be. This is great because if you ever make a change to your workspace and you want to get back to the way it was, you can just run the installer, and instead of installing the whole indicator, you can just select the templates and it will reset everything back the way it was when you first installed it. Now that the install is done, let's go ahead and start NT8. It will inform us that we have some new additional software wanting to be loaded, which needs our approval. So obviously we'll see yes, and then we'll just wait for it all to pop up and load. So there you go. If you have a license for our software and you want to upgrade, go log in and get that new install file. And I hope this video has helped. If you're looking at our software and thinking about it, hopefully this video has shown you how easy it is to get installed and up and running. Now, don't forget, we have 2 free indicators. One is a news indicator that draws news events on your charts. The other is a price line tool that draws lines at your bid, ask, or last price. If you have any questions about that or anything else, feel free to type them in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.